for Public Enterprises passes on his regrets that he is unable to be here. I'm honoured to represent him in this situation. The Minister will be issuing a statement later this afternoon, but as discussed during the annual general meeting of the organisation earlier today, the Ministry and Government is most grateful to the management and board for the exceptional performance of the organisation over the past year and successful implementation of the Ports Terminal Limited private-public partnership. And we are very pleased to accept a record dividend payment.